If you're tired of learning random and ineffective strategies and none of them have brought good results for you, all you need to do is watch this video until the end. I'm going to explain a very useful, simple and practical strategy for you so that you no longer need any other strategies. So let's focus on the chart. First, choose your symbol and set your time frame to 15 minutes. Then go to the indicator tab and type Super Trend X4 in the search box. Once you find it, click on it to add the first indicator to the chart. As you can see, this indicator is a bit messy and needs to be organized. To do this, go to the indicator settings. Remove the ticks that I removed in the input tab. And make sure these ticks are removed in the style tab as well. Now that the indicator is organized, there are some small explanations about it. When the pair of lines that appear in this indicator are red and the price candles are below these two lines, we understand that we are in a downtrend and should look for entry points for sell orders within these ranges. On the other hand, if the pair of lines of the support trend indicator are green and the price candles are above these two lines, we understand that the market is an uptrend and we should look for entry points for buy orders within these ranges. Now let's add the second indicator to the chart to refine this strategy. For this, go to the indicator tab and search for sell and buy rates. When you find it, click on it. Now go to the settings. In the input tab, change the period to 200 and make sure that the plot section is set to area in the style tab. After making these changes, you will see that this indicator consists of two parts, red and green. The green part indicates bullish momentum, and the red part indicates bearish momentum. To complete this strategy and know entry and exit points, stop loss, and take profit levels, there are some additional rules and explanations that you need to know and adhere to. I will explain these rules in the continuation of the video. But before that, I would like you to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you can stay informed about new videos. If you like this video, please like it and leave your comments about it so we can create videos according to your preferences. Now, for buy orders, the first thing to consider is the support trend indicator gives us a long signal. After that, you should identify the market trend and be sure that the market is in an uptrend. This means all lines should be green and price candles should be above these two lines. After seeing these conditions, check the buy and sell rates indicator and make sure they are in the green zone. Once all these conditions are met, you can place a buy order at desired point. To prevent potential losses, you can place your stop loss under the super trend indicator line or under the last swing low. For take profit, you can consider risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 and wait for the trade to close with profit. There are also instructions for sell orders that you need to learn precisely and execute them accordingly. Make sure that the super trend indicator gives us a sell signal and its two lines are red to indicate a downtrend. By understanding this concept, you can raise your win rate in trades. Make sure that the price candles are positioned below these two lines. Then go to the buy and sell indicator and ensure that this indicator is in the red zone and shows a downtrend. Now, if all these conditions are met, we understand that this point is a good entry point for a sell order. And to adhere to the capital management rules, we can place our stop loss above the super trend indicator line or above the last swing high. And risk to reward ratio will be 1 to 1.5. And wait for the trade to close with profit. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Until the next video, take care.